Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to have you here. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Alexei. I'm a composer, mixing engineer and coach. And education was always a big part of my life, so I decided to make this channel for you as an educational resource, so we can talk about topics like music production, mixing, sound design, mastering, all basically related topics to music production and music composition. Actually, I have a blog as well, and I want to connect it with the YouTube channel together, so it makes sense to have an article and then a practical example here on YouTube too. Here and there I want to review plugins and sample libraries as well. I find it important to know what the professionals are using day in and day out, and to have a second opinion about a product is useful as well, I think. Yeah, basically that's it for now. Everything else you will find in the description down below. Again, thank you for stopping by. Have a great day, take care, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye.